I realize your staff is like my family I never had. And they're so generous and they are willing to help and welcoming you with open arms. We were in Sparta still living when I was 15, my mom with her husband. And then his niece had passed away in New Jersey, and so he had to go back there. Well, she went back there with them and left myself and my sister here at 15 and 13. We don't know how to cook. We don't have a job. We don't have a way to get a job. I just got to keep it going. And instead of just sitting where I was because there's nothing I can do, I figured out a way to do it. I'm not going to live my life without some sort of educational background, and I need a high school diploma. I didn't have that opportunity, and so I went to TC in Toma to get my HSED, and from there I went right into the CNA, and then I started working at the Toma Healthcare Center. I do get financial aid, and then I have been granted scholarships also. And that is such a blessing because that really helps. It does give me more time to focus on my schoolwork and stuff, and I don't have to feel so stressed about not having that extra dollar or two to buy a new notebook that I need or something. If you have access and easy access to that stuff, your brain isn't stressing out over it, and so therefore you're more level-headed and you can think and study with a clear brain. Those scholarships, I couldn't be more grateful. I think you guys are amazing. Like, not many people in the world are willing to just give anymore. I really like that there are still people who are willing to give and show that they care. I feel so blessed for everything that I have gotten because, like I said, no ID, no guardian, no social security card, no birth certificate. I'm not giving up after all the turmoil I've been through. I'm just continuing to grow and learn and move forward and up.